Clip 431, stem and leaf diagrams. Okay, so you've got to draw an ordered stem and leaf diagram for these weights of newborn babies. Okay, so I've got decimals, but you may have whole numbers. You've got to decide what the stem is going to be. So remember, that's the stem, and then you're going to have the leaves here. So the overriding thing you've got to decide is how you're going to display this data. So it's going to be something, a number, then something. So let's say for the first number, 4, 6. If you saw that in a diagram, that would mean 4.6 kilograms. Okay, so what we're going to start off at, if you look at the units numbers, we go from 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there anything bigger than 4 point something? 4.8 is the biggest number, so we're going to have to go up to 4. So when it says ordered, that means these digits that you're putting afterwards need to be in order. So what I would do is start with all the ones, anything that's at 1 point something. So I've got a 9 and I've got an 8, and that's it. So 1.8, 1.9, cross them off as you're going through. So 1.8, 1.9. Okay, so that's how you would write it. 2. We've got a 2.6, a 2.8, a 2.9, a 2.6, 2.2 and 2.9. So the lowest is a 2. So we'd start off with 2.2 and cross that out. Then we've got 2.6 twice. Then I've got an 8, I've got a 9, I've got another 9. So 8, 9, 9. 3s, nothing there. I've got a 0.7, I've got a 6, and I've just got a 3 on its own. So what number would this be? Well, that's 3 and no tenths, so that's 3.0. So you'd put 0 there, and then the next one would be 3.6, and then the last one would be 3.7. And finally the 4s. I've got a 4.6 and a 4.8, and that's it. So I cross out 4.6, put that in, and I've got a 4.8, and then I put that in. Now just double check that they're in order, 1. So they're in order, they're in order, they're in order, they're in order. And double check you've got the right number, so how many there are. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 babies. They're all crossed out, so there should be 13 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm done. That's in order. I've included all the numbers and I've got a key. Okay, so all you've got to do is select the correct diagram on Haggerty that looks like the ones you're drawing in your book.